the sun so bright. Diamonds and emeralds shining in the night. Golden halls echo tales of old. The Chilab dynasty, the story's bold. Elephants adorned with gems and pride. Chariots of splendor they would ride. Banquets of feast with spices so rare. A kingdom of dreams beyond compare. Oh, the Chilab life so grand, so free. A world of wonders for all to see. From the rivers wide to the mountains